movement game, a bowling ball throw. Today at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our baby shark tank participated in a mini movement game, bowling ball throw, which is both fun and helps develop physical skills, reflexes, and teamwork. Shamy eagerly threw the ball, cheering with joy when knocking down the first pins. Rubi focused on observing the ball's path, adjusting force and direction, improving accuracy. Masy enthusiastically cheered for friends, learning to wait her turn and cooperate with the team. Lucky smartly chose a strategy for throwing the ball, being both fast and precise, knocking down all the pins with full excitement. This mini game helps children develop body movement, hand-eye coordination, focus, quick reflexes, and teamwork skills. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Let the baby come, 'cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them.